Have you ever dreamed of working with one of the world's most innovative tech company? Well, your chance. Sony Research India is offering a 6 months paid internship starting from this November. So focusing on cutting edge AI and as well as machine learning technologies. So let's dive into all the details of this incredible opportunity and what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply and what are the skills that are required in order to apply for this internship. All the things are discussed in this video. So stay tuned till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel where you will get the content which is related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, competitions, scholarships, and lot more content will be uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So first, let's talk about the Sony Research India. It is a part of a global research network. This center is working at the forefront of innovation in the area like electronics, entertainment, and financial services. So their goal is simple to build a next generation technology product that touches the lives. And now they are looking for the PhDs and master's students with a hands-on experience to join their team. So you will be working on the speech technologies, specifically text to speech from Indian languages and alongside of experienced scientists. And coming to that, your role, what exactly you will be doing during the internship is you will be a key player in developing a POCs and building a product across the Windows, Linux, Android, and other platforms. The project you will be working on a highly specialized machine learning models, deep learning, and generative AI solutions, and as well as speech technologies also. So, you will be using the programming languages like C++, Java, Golang, Python, and JavaScript. Plus, you will also have a chance to test your performance on web applications and ML models, improving the security and data protection across the various platforms. And to apply, Sony is looking for the candidates with a strong knowledge in OS architecture, web services, and databases like SQL, NoSQL. So, if you are familiar with the AI models, deep learning, or performance testing, you will have an edge. So, moreover, you will need hands-on experience in programming languages and have an ability to work collaboratively, solving the real-world tech challenges. It's a highly engaging role that's require you to be a top of emerging technologies and research. So, why to join this Sony Research India? So besides working on the cutting edge AI technologies, you will also be a part of diverse global team where creativity meets innovation. Innovation. So the internship is remote, allowing you to work from home anywhere in India. So plus Sony offers a range of perks from paid time off and parental leaves to bonus program and flexible working hours. So it's not just a job; it's a culture where the celebrate diversity, dreams, and integrity. If this sounds like perfect opportunity, so don't miss out. The link is given in the description box so you can apply for this role and you can kickstart your journey in the world of AI and machine learning. Subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for more such exciting opportunities and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you will never miss any update and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. So thanks for watching.